to our channel.
I'm Batari AS.
I'm Sri Wahyuni.
I'm Aisyah.
So guys, today we are going to tell you something, and it is really important. And what is it?
It's talking about public speaking.
So Aisyah, can you tell me, explain to us what is public speaking is?
Okay guys, I'm going to share about what is the definition about public speaking.
So, here we go.
Okay, I'm going to give you definition of public speaking. There are two words of them. The first is public and the second is speaking. The first is public. What is public? Public is universal or general place or crowded place, and speaking is activity we are talking with someone or many people. So, what is the public speaking? Public speaking is a process or art to performing a good speech to a live audience. And in a public speaking, there are two purposes. The first is to inform, the second is to persuade, and the last is to entertain. And then, public speaking can serve the purpose of transmitting information, telling a story, motivation people to act, or some combination of those. Okay guys, don't go anywhere because after this there are the next explanation. See you!
So guys, we have learned about what is public speaking, and we move to the next lesson. It's about what is benefit of public speaking and what kinds of public speaking.
Okay, so guys, today I will share about the benefits of public speaking to you. So, listen carefully because it's very important information to you. So, the first is boost your confidence. And the second is improve your research skills. And the third is stretch your dedicated skills. And the fourth is market your business. And the fifth, stretch your oral communication. And the sixth is improve your chance to get a high rate. And the seventh is make a chance for you to meet other people with similar interests. So after we know the benefit of public speaking, you need to know about what the kinds of public speaking is. The first is speaking to inform. Like argumentative and informative. And the second is speaking to pursue, motivate, or take action. Like argumentative, controversial, and policy speech. And the third is speaking to entertain, like funny and special occasion speech. And next, we move to the next topic.
So guys, we have learned about what is public speaking and why public speaking is important for us, and also about the kinds of public speaking and to listen. So, we move to the next lesson. I'm going to tell you about 15 top tips on how to be good public speaker. So, the first tips is be spontaneous. Remember guys, be spontaneous. Don't try to or memorize all of your text, but you have to understand it. The second tips is write the material that you want to convey with a bullet point. So, third tips is increase interaction with the audience. The fourth tips is you have to mastering all of your material fifth tips is you can add humor in your material, also about something fun. And the sixth tip is time management. You have to manage your time management. And the seventh tip is use original experience. And the next tip is speak clearly. The ninth tip is make yourself good in body language. And the 10th tip is use good intonation. And the next tip is don't afraid to pause and take a breath. And the 12th tips is remember, avoid the word or etc. Because it's really bad words. And the next tip is show your confidence. The next is make yourself to do that. And the last tip is listen, keep learning, keep practice, because practice make everything perfect. It works. So guys, this is 15 top tips from me. I hope you can practice it. So thank you so much. Guys, come here. So thank you so much for watching
Our video, our channel.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe
And like.
share, because please, we have all of hopes for you, because this is our homework from our lecturer. So guys, please subscribe, like and share.
Wait for our next video, right?
Yeah. Okay. Bye. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Last summer